I'm Marianne Daubner von Zuckerwelt and I love Massa di Cino. Massa di Cino is available in 9 beautiful, lovely colors, and the colors you can mix and match however you want, and you also can use the color mixing guide. On the website there's the color mixing guide. Here you find all the colors on it. The pink, the purple, red, yellow, and in the middle the white. And you can choose any color you want. I want to do this blue. And you see here 4 parts from the sailing blue and 1 part from the pitch black. You can save the colors and view it. It's very important when you have customers which need branded colors for logos, and it's easy to recreate for your stuff. Now I show you 4 parts blue, 1 part black, pitch black, and I knit together. You can tear apart. And now a little bit from the black you see already. You mix the color you have chosen here, and that's why I love Massa di Cino.